Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Tuesday, April the 30th, 2013. Here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right here for the session. The Dow Jones is pretty much flat, up a little over 4 points. The Comp Qs is having a nice day today, up over 18.5 points. The Russell 2000 is up 3.5 points. The S&P is up 2.5 points. We take a look at the volatility index. The VIX was positive earlier in the session. Now it's down 5 cents. Euro's pretty strong today. UUP, the dollar index, is down. Commodities across the board are slightly down to flat now. They recovered off their lows. XOI, the oil index, has now turned positive after being down about 11, I believe it was. A couple of the key sectors right now, the top of the change from open list on the ETF list here. FAS, which means the financials, XRT, the retails, SMH, the semiconductors. A couple of the sectors at the bottom of the ETF list here for the day. We have the TLT, of course, the bonds are down today. GDX, gold miners are down today. XLV, those are going to be your healthcare stocks. And your XHBs down near the bottom of the list as well. That's your home builders. All right, so we take a look to see what took place in the market so far for the morning. We had some nice levels that we put out on our Facebook page. If you're not following us on Facebook, you can follow us at Facebook at Wall Street Trading. We gave some levels out this morning to watch. 1585 half on the ES, 1582, which was a back test level, which was a key level, and 1580, the bottom of a flag. Resistance levels we had 1589. 1590 areas R1, R2, 1593, and then 1595. You can see we're currently trading at 1591 half. The highs for the year is up here at 1593, so we're about a $1.75, $1.50 away from making new highs for the year. So there's still buys in the market that are buying that dip. All right, if you take a look at the ES here, the 15-minute chart on the left-hand side, we bounced right off this 1582 level, which also kind of lined up with that 200-day moving average right there, and we've been rallying since. I would not fight the tape. It's kind of hard trying to fight the tape, of course, the past couple of days if you've been trying to short. You maybe get some shorts where it shows you a little bit of green for a minute, but then they buy it right back up. Green for a minute, then they buy it right back up. So keep on looking to buy the dips in the afternoon session. I would not be surprised if we pushed over 1593 going into the close and maybe close like at 1595 or something. We'll see how that plays out. Aside from that, a couple key stocks that we were watching this morning. You could take a look at US Steel X. They had earnings out this morning. Let me bring this up real quick. Let's see, US Steel 5-minute chart. Key level we're watching in this stock was this $17 level here. Traded above 17, traded below 17. We were able to catch this nice little move up from 17.10 up towards the 1740s. A little action there. Some action in HLF as well. All right, HLF sideways above 39. We're looking for the stock to make a nice move to the top side. And even this one is continuing to move higher. You can see why the market was selling off. This stock was pretty much trading sideways. All right here. 1 second. All right, so while the market was selling off, the stock was trading sideways. We got involved right here when it tried to break out the first time. Had a stop at 39.14. Never stopped us out, but since it looked like it was going to roll over, got out the trade, and this thing just ripped from 39.25 all the way to 40, all the way to 40.57. So some good action in that stock. Keep an eye on this one in the afternoon here. So far right now, it's looking like it's making its way back up towards the top of the range. Halliburton was another good stock on the desk that we were trading today. HAL, this one made a nice little move up. First of all, made a nice little move up out the gate, and then it pulled back and gave you multiple opportunities to buy the dip down there. This 41.80 level was holding up pretty nice during the session. Put a nice little higher pivot right here, and then off to the races it went. One thing that I'm going to be looking forward to do in the coming days here, I'm going to start doing a video in the morning so we could discuss the levels and the market, so you guys can get that video before the market opens, so you can see what stocks we're watching and how we prepare in the morning for the morning game plan. So be on the lookout for that. I'm going to try to start that off tomorrow, and then I'm going to try to start that going into tomorrow's session here. Get a video out for you guys so you guys can see what we're trading here on the desk. Aside from that, have a great afternoon, and I'll catch you guys after the close. Cheers.